Hey, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into my video today. So this is another Boxycharm unboxing video. So this is your first time here. I'm Cheyenne. Welcome to my channel. We do have a lot of fun over here. So before we get started, be sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring the little bell down below so you don't miss notifications of my future uploads. And then I am unboxing April's Boxycharm regular box and the premium box for you all today. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So we are going to start off with the standard box here. So we will go ahead and open it up and see what we have. And in every box you do get a card. So this month's theme says Boxycharm Festival Vibes, but there's no festivals because everything got canceled. And then on the inside it gives you what's in the box, the price, and a description of each item. So let's go ahead and see what the first thing in the box is. Alright, so this is from Lavish. It looks like it's a 5-piece brush set, real colorful. This retails for $29.99. It says it's a 5-piece neon eye brush set. So it says a must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look. So let's open these up. All right, and then here's each brush. Like, these are really beautiful colors. So this one is a tapered blending brush. This is a pencil pencil brush. This neon green one is a fine liner brush. And then this is an eye shading brush, the blue one is. And then this green one is to do your brows. It says it's a brow groomer. So you have the spoolie on one end and the brush on the other. So I will be using some of these brushes later on in the video in the try on portion. Alright, so this retails for $32. It says this unique foaming cleanser is packed with nourishing superfoods to help calm and hydrate skin while lifting makeup, dirt, and grime. The soothing formula helps to comfort skin caused by dehydration and leaves skin with a fresh looking complexion. So I have used this since getting the box, and it feels really nice on your skin. Like, afterwards your skin feels so soft, like you just exfoliated. Next we have a product by Benefit. It's their Professional Pore Primer. It looks like I got the regular one. I know there was two that were giving out, the regular one and then the hydrating one. So this is supposed to smooth and minimize the look of pores when you use it. This is what the packaging looks like. This retails for $32. It says it's a lightweight balm that you can wear alone, under, or over your makeup. This is what it comes in if you've never gotten this before. It's just a little tube. So we will be using this later on in the try-on portion of the video as well. So we have a product by Iconic London. It's an illuminator. That's really pretty. It just says original, so I guess it's like the original shade. This retails for $41. It says this concentrated liquid shimmer can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply used on its own for a super highlighted glow. Every drop of this super concentrated shimmer elixir glides on smoothly to bestow an ultra blendable glow. So I'll probably use this as a highlighter later on in the video. I'll probably won't mix it in with my foundation just so we can kind of see how it looks as a highlighter. So the last thing in this box, which I'm super excited about, is by the original makeup erasers. So I did get a makeup eraser, which I was super happy about that they had in the box. It says this is the Sunset one, and it says that the makeup eraser equals up to 3,600 makeup wipes. It says all you have to do is just add water. It says it lasts 3 to 5 years. Antibacterial, reusable. Looks like you can wash it in a washing machine. It says wash 1 to 2 times per week. It says wash, wet, erase, exfoliate. So I'm really excited about this because I've been wanting to try this product for a while now. This retails for $22. And let's actually take it out of the box here. Ooh, it's really soft, like, ooh, yes, that's really soft. I can't wait to try this out. And it's a good size too. Like, look at that. I like all the colors on it. That's pretty awesome. If you've ever used this makeup eraser before or something like this, definitely let me know down in the comments how you like it, because I normally just use makeup wipes and then I go behind with micellar water and make sure I get it all off, and then I like usually double cleanse. Alright, so that's it for the standard box. I will let you know the price of each box after I unbox the premium box, and I will put the prices on the screen as well. Okay, so now time to do the premium box here. So this is what it looks like. It's a lot bigger than the regular sized box. And of course it has the same theme, and like I said, everything is on the inside here of the card, what you got, the description, and the price. Okay, so the first thing in my box is by IGK. It says Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray, keratin-like treatment in a can, 24-hour frizz control, 450 degree heat protection. So this is a spray for your hair. This retails for $32. It says heat protective blowout spray mimics the smooth, frizz-free result of a keratin treatment. 100% agree their hair looked like they got a keratin treatment at a salon. So I'll have to try this out, see how it works. All right, next we have a product by Kopari. It's the Coconut Face Cream, Hydrate and Nourish. This is what it looks like here. This retails for $38. It says it's a daily lightweight moisturizer packed with fatty acids, helps nourish, hydrate, and strengthen the skin's protective barrier for a more youthful appearance. This is what the tube looks like here. And I will squirt some out for you all so you can kind of see what it looks like here. And then I have used this, like this does feel really good on the skin. It does, like I really like it. It's very lightweight. And it doesn't really have much of a scent. The next thing I got in the box is by Pharmacy. It's the Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. This is what it looks like right here, the box. This retails for $38. It says it's an intensely hydrating honey face mask for a glowing complexion infused with powerful antioxidants. This warming mask leaves skin soft, supple, and plump with hydration. And I have used this already. It does feel warm on your face. It does, like it gets pretty warm. It comes with a little spatula here because it does have a honey-like consistency to it. This is what it looks like. Kind of looks like petroleum jelly, like Vaseline. And it smells okay. Like it smells like chemically a little bit, but it does definitely leave your face smooth and hydrated. So next we have a product by Levito. I've never heard of them, I don't think. This is our first time getting something from them in the box. But this is the Age Away Replenishing Cream. It says grapefruit seed, melissa, and avocados in it. Extracts from 11 pure plants. This is what the box looks like. This retails for $69. Holy moly, child. Made with 11 innovative organic plant actives, this anti-aging solution is clinically proven to diminish the appearance of dryness, wrinkles, and rough texture while deeply nourishes mature skin. And then this is what the tube looks like here. And this is what the cream looks like here. It is kind of thick in consistency a little bit, but it's not too thick or super thick. And it doesn't, actually once you rub it out, like when you first squirt it out, don't have a scent, but then when you start rubbing it in, it does have a floral scent to it for sure. So next, we have a product by Wonder Beauty. This is a mascara. It says Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. And that's what the tube looks like. This retails for $26. One swipe is all you need for sky-high lashes with this volumizing and lengthening mascara. I can't talk, I'm sorry. Precise bristles grab and coat every lash for a flirty and fanned out effect, while jet black pigment intensely saturates, smudge-proof, flake-proof, and water-resistant for all-day wear. Alright, so next in the box is by Nude Sticks. This is the Magnetic Lip Plush Paints, sorry. This is in the shade Waikiki Rose. It's a lipstick. This retails for $28, sorry, I was looking at the wrong one. It says where luxury, K-beauty, and multitasking color meets long-wear performance. Magnetic lip plush paints are luxurious soft nudes in a feather light, blurring matte velvety texture, and is non-drying and long-wearing, presented in monochromatic tones. So I will be using both of these next in the try-on portion of the video. I will go ahead and swatch this lipstick for you all. So it is like this, and then like that is really pretty. It's like a nudie pink color. I love it. And I'll show you what the wand looks like on the mascara here. So this is the mascara wand. I do like how small it is. Alright, so the Boxycharm standard box retails for $156, and that box is only $25 a month. So spent $25, got $156 worth of product. The Boxycharm premium box retailed for $231, so I spent $35 on that box and got $231.99 worth of product. It's actually $231.99, so $232 worth of product in the premium box, so that's pretty amazing. So if you haven't signed up for Boxycharm and you love makeup and skincare, I definitely highly recommend signing up. Like, it changed my life. I look forward to my boxes every month. So let's go ahead and jump into the try-on portion of our video. So first I'm gonna go in and put this primer on my face. And if you've never used this product before, this is what it looks like when you squeeze it out of the tube. Alright, so I got it on my face here. Like, I definitely feel like it minimized the appearance of my pores, because right in here and here you can like see my pores a lot when I don't have makeup on. So it definitely minimized them. So now I'm gonna put some foundation on so we can see how it performs with foundation. And this is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Sand. Alright, so now I got the foundation on. I went ahead and put concealer on as well. So now we're gonna go ahead and use these lavish brushes. I'm gonna use this Ace Beauté Oceanic palette that I had picked up from the last Boxycharm pop-up they had. Yeah, that's what it's called. And this is what the palette looks like right here. Such beautiful colors. I do need to prime my eyes real quick. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is Bali right here, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Blue Clam right here. I'm gonna put that on the inner part of my eye using this eye shading brush. So next I'm gonna go with the shade Lagoon right here. I'm gonna deepen the outer corner here. next I'm gonna go in with the shimmer shade of Bora Bora right here, taking that same brush. I cleaned it off, and I'm gonna apply this to my eyelids. All right, I'm also gonna go in with this color Bay right here and apply that to my lid as well. All right, so now I'm gonna take this pencil brush right here and I'm gonna go back in with that color Lagoon and brush it on my lower lash line here. All right, so next I'm gonna go back in with that shade of Bora Bora and put it in my inner corners. Alright, that is done. So now we're gonna go ahead and try out that Wonder Beauty mascara. Alright, I have the mascara on, so I'm getting a little bit closer here so you can see, like, it did an okay job. It's not my favorite mascara. I definitely had better, but I mean, I don't know if you can tell it lengthened them at all, but I mean, you can see I have mascara on, but they don't look very voluminous and lengthy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish out the eyes, and when I come back, we're gonna go and use the illuminator that I got. All right, I'm back, guys. So this eye look looks so freaking good. Like, it reminds me of the ocean and the beach. Like, I'm loving it. The brushes did perform really well. I do like them. So we are gonna go ahead, I did go ahead and put on blush and bronzer as well. So we're gonna go ahead and put on some highlighter, and then I'm gonna go in with this iconic London Illuminator here. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. I'm gonna put a drop in the back of my hand. I'm just gonna dip my finger in it. All right, I'm gonna take this Lavish Fine Liner brush right here, and I'm gonna dip it into here a little bit. I like my brow bone. All right, this highlighter, I'm gonna scoot up a little bit, is very beautiful. Like, oh, I'm loving it. Oh my god, that's really pretty. I'm gonna have to mix it in one day with my foundation, see how it looks. All right, so the face is completely done, so we're gonna go ahead and go on to my lips. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips first. All right, I'm gonna go in with this Appeal gel liner right here. This is the color Naked. Lips are lined, so now I'm gonna go in with this Nude Sticks lip paint. Again, this is the color Waikiki Rose. All right, lips are done, and ooh, this color is really pretty. I don't really care for the lip paint all that well, but the color is really pretty. Like, yes. All right, guys, so that concludes the video for today. Definitely let me know down in the comment section what you thought on the products I got in my box today and how you like the look I created with the products in the box today. Also, if you got Boxycharm this month, let me know down in the comments what you got in your box this month, stuff you like, stuff you didn't like, so we can compare. And I do want to thank you so much for watching my video today and hanging out with me. And be sure you follow me over on Instagram. I do post over there. And again, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.